Okay, next problem says Robin is training to run a 20-mile race. She plans to run 32 miles each week for the next 16 weeks. How many total miles does she plan to run? Okay, so I'm going to do my cubes, circle my important numbers. I have 20 mile, 32 miles. I'm going to highlight my question. How many total miles does she plan to run? Box in my keywords. Well, before I box in my keywords, let me go back to my question. It says, how many total miles does she plan to run? Okay, I'm going to rewrite that. It's asking total miles ran. Okay. So that's me for total miles ran. So if I go back to the numbers that I circled, one of them says Robin is training to run a 20-mile race. Okay, we don't need to know this. We don't need to know how long the mile is. We need to know the total miles that she runs. Okay, so I can already get rid of this, and I just noticed that I forgot to circle an important number, 16 weeks. Okay, now I'm going to box in my keywords. I have each. Each tells me that I'm going to multiply, and I'm looking for total miles. I'm looking for a total. So I'm going to be multiplying 32 times 16. Again, I'm going to do my box. Okay, I'm going to expand my numbers. I have 30, plus 2. I have 10 plus 6. Put my little multiplication sign. So again, when I multiply the first two boxes, I'm using the 10 and the top two numbers. I'm not using the 6. So I have 10 times 30, 10 times 2. The bottom boxes, I'm using the 6, not the 10. So I have 6 times 30, 6 times 2. Now I can multiply. Bring down my x, cross them out. 1 times 3 is 3. Bring down my egg, cross it out. 1 times 2 is 2. Bring down my egg, cross it out. 6 times 3 is 18. And 6 times 2, you can count by 2s, is 12. So now I'm going to get my partial products, and I'm going to add them. Starting with my biggest one. So I have 300, 180, 20, and 12. So when I add, I have 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry my 1, drop my 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 512 miles, which is A.